Today I am going to deal with the concept mutual fund. Before knowing mutual fund, let us know what actually the investment is. The investment is a part of earning which is invested or saved for the sake of future needs, where the people get return on the invested amount or invested savings. Usually, people save a part of income for the future need. There are different types of saving method where the people can save their money or invest their money where they can get a return. The future needs may arise such as medical treatment, marriage expenses, education. So all these are the future needs which may arise on a future basis. For this reason, people save their amount or invest their amount to get something on a future basis. There are different type of deposit where the people can invest or save their money. Usually people prefer a bank savings or bank deposit where they feel that amount is secure or safe. So they may invest in current deposit, fixed deposit, recurring deposit. All these are the methods of investments where people save their amount. In the same way, the mutual fund is also a type of investment to invest to get something in return. But here what happens? As we know now what is investment, investing our money for the sake of future need. In the same way, mutual fund is also an investment here, but here people will not directly invest into any bonds or securities or any savings. What the people do is they come together, the small investors come together for the sake of investing their money. If they invest directly, they are not having an idea whether they are getting a return or not. For that sake, what the small investor does is they invest their money into a asset management company, and this asset management company invest in different securities or bonds, and this small investor get return on a future basis. As there are many numbers of increasing in companies, the investors are finding very difficult where to invest, right? So the money invested by a single person, if the one person is investing into a bond, that is a small amount, right? So that small to make that small amount as a big amount, small some investors come together with a small amount, and this amount is invested into a asset management company, and this asset management company, they invest that amount in different bonds and securities where the people, where they can give a return to a people. So they have said that the mutual fund is a pool of money which is collected from several investors. As I said, the small investors invest their money for the sake of getting return in a asset management company to achieve a common object of the investor. The common object is always getting a profit in return or getting something in return. So that is about the investment. The mutual fund from a professional interface between a small investors and the investment market. In addition, mutual funds are only a financial intermediaries claiming a fixed fees from an asset management companies and distributing the remaining entire surplus among the investor. So what they do is asset management company invest the money into bonds or securities. In return, they will just take a fees. The asset management companies will just take a fees, and remaining surplus or the profit that is distributed to the investors back. The definition given by Praveen Enshoff, he defines a mutual fund as a portfolio of stock market, share and other financial instrument built with fund collected from a small investor whose primary concern is security of investment. As I already said, the small investors investing their money into asset management company, and this asset management company investing their money into a securities. In return, they are just taking a fees and they are giving a surplus or a profit to the small investor. The mutual fund raises money from the public by issuing unit The unit in the mutual fund are synonymous with equity share in joint stock company. The money so raised by a mutual fund is used to purchase equity shares and other securities. Has the small investor put their money into a asset management company, and this asset management company will use that money for the sake of purchasing equity, for the sake of purchasing debt, or for the sake of purchasing securities.